Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your workspace and tools so you avoid damage. Remove the Airpods from the case and fully power off any connected devices. This prevents current flow while you work. Next, open the case carefully with a precision spudger. Pry at the seam, not the hinge, because that protects the latch. Once the shell separates, make sure to note screw locations and take a quick photo. This saves time when reassembling and prevents misplacement of tiny parts. Now you'll remove the faulty charging pin and install the new one, focusing on alignment and clean contacts. If the pin is soldered, heat the joint steadily and desolder one side at a time. If it's clipped, lift the retaining clip gently. Once free, position the replacement pin so its pads match the board. This is crucial for current flow. You then solder each pad with controlled heat. Make sure you do not bridge pads, and verify continuity with a multimeter once the joints cool. Finish by reassembling the case carefully. Reposition the PCB, reconnect any flex cables, and replace screws in the sequence you photographed earlier. Once sealed, charge the case fully and pair it with your device to confirm proper function. Observe the LED and charging current so you know the pin works under load. If charging fails, inspect solder joints and board traces for cold joints or lifted pads. One key troubleshooting tip is to check the tiny input fuse. A blown fuse often mimics pin failure and is quick to replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.